Just got off at Girard, which is an elevated station, and we're going down. There's the trolley line. So, for a little bit of context, as of June 2024, SEPTA has been running PCC streetcars along its Route 15 along Girard Avenue, so that's why we took the Market-Frankford Line here, just to see what we could see and hopefully take a ride on one. Now we wait. So I know what you're thinking. This is supposed to be a video about PCC trolleys. This is a bus. And you would be correct, because on SEPTA's Route 15, they run a combination of buses and trolleys, which I didn't know before trying to ride the route. I got down to the platform and I saw a bus with the 15 on it, and I got scared. I'm like, oh no, did they take the PCCs out of service again? No, they just run a combination to keep frequency up. So our first vehicle was a bus. We took it over to Broad Street and waited on that platform, and it turns out the next vehicle, well, I'll just let you see for yourself. Yeah, it's going the wrong way. I mean, we can still get on it, but...
I mean, yeah, sorry. We'd have to come back.
Right. We can also take our chances with it coming back this way. Just got off a SEPTA bus. First time riding a SEPTA bus. There is a PCC coming this way, but I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't even know if they stop here. I saw something about stops not happening, so. And then something beautiful happened. Got one coming this way. We also got one coming this way. We will get on momentarily. Old SEPTA trolley. Here we go. All right. An in-service PCC.
A PCC car.
Yeah, absolutely. They added a wheelchair lifts though.
They did. Yeah, they modernized.
Yeah, that they did. Yeah. 1940s technology. The signal priority is not a thing.
No, but right now I'm here.
This is my second time on a PCC ever.
This is my first time on a PCC with that National Capital Trolleys.
Yep, same for me. It's the only other one I've been on.
It's a revenue service, so yeah.
Correct. One of the PCCs they have is from TTC.
Huh. I think the one I rode in when I was up there was their Capital Transit.
A lot of their stuff from DC was out of service. They're working on it, so.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta maintain them somehow.
Maybe once Iowa Traction number 50 finally retires, that's where we'll go there. That'd be wonderful.
To a trolley museum?
I mean, hey, it's
curve radius though, curve radius.
True, but it would technically be on whole rails. Because the rails are from the WWE.
Yeah, that's true. It seems like there's mostly buses. Or maybe? Yeah, we've seen 2 PCCs and a handful of buses. Better than the DC streetcar.
Oh, by a long shot.
Yeah.
This actually functions.
Yeah.
It's ironic for something that's like 60 to 70 years old.
Yeah. These things ride really smooth.
I know.
It's almost as if it's steel on steel. No. We're in mixed traffic, but Ukrainian Catholic Church.
Huh.
I know there's a cathedral up here. I don't... Actually, no, wait. No, there is one on very close to Girard, so we're not too far.
There's a really good Ukrainian restaurant in Grand.
Have I had Ukrainian food? I don't know.
It's very good.
I'm sure it's good.
Stroganoff there was delicious.
They're from the 40s.
Yeah, it's from this is from the 1940s, so yeah.
Alright, we're on the one-way section of the line now. Oh, look at the reflections in the windows. That's so fun.
There's no way they're still running here in the motors from the 40s and these things. It's so cool.
It is. There's a bridge over there. Oh, look at all those cars stuck in traffic. You can take a PCC to the zoo. The downside to running in mixed traffic is getting slowed behind cars.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
It's a bit odd, but
I mean,
oh, there's a bus. Although that's on a different route.
it's a PCC. I only caught it once.
It might have been. I think I might have saw one earlier that was like that.
It looked kind of like it.
Okay, we need to work on. SEPTA needs to work on stop spacing. They've still got like the curved back at the end. So I mean, the body's pretty much original from what I can tell. And we got this cool view at the back. Oh, there's a normal SEPTA trolley. No, they're fine too. These are cooler.
These are cool.
There's a bus. One of the ones that's also running on here on the 15, which is the route the PCCs are on as of June. It's now July. Trolley's pulling in front of us from a different route, I guess. Just did a quick driver change, so that took a few minutes. Oh, we're hauling. We've left Girard, we're now in Haverford. Just left the PCC. Driver just manually changed the switch over. But he's gonna go wait for the bus. I'm waiting for this to move because I want to get a little bit. Is that the bus?
Yeah. Go. Come on.
We're now behind our PCC.
Well, that was cool.
Yeah. There goes the PCC. You can't see it through the dots, but it is the, there it goes. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, or subscribe. It's all greatly appreciated. And if you want to come ride these PCCs for yourself, they're easily found on SEPTA's Route 15, which runs east and west primarily along Girard Avenue in the north of Philadelphia. And it's definitely worth a visit. It made our trip, among other things, but the PCCs were one of the main reasons for coming up here. It was just super cool to see these old pieces of technology and history running today in revenue service. You know, just in mixed traffic with modern vehicles. What a sight. Again, thanks y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.